Happy Saturday. Oh, what a wonderful surprise. It finally showed up. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I'm adding, into my drink this morning. Turmeric and also some yummy mint. I forgot to mention that I put that in there too. It really does kind of help to cut down the bitterness of some of the greens. Okay, I added in some frozen fruit. This is a little icy, so that was the last of the bag. And then this is one of the kinds of magnesium I use. It's from Sprouts. I had to stop and think there for a second. There's the specs on it if you're interested. Anyway, that's what I put in mine, and then I'll add water and I'll blend. I am not putting this in mine right now because I have the actual greens in there, but I've used this in the past. Anyway, just another option for you. I think I even got this at Walmart. I'm not sure. But this one isn't bad. It's a natural berry flavor and has a little bit of a dirt flavor like the greens do, but I just feel like that makes it maybe that much more authentic. I don't know. There's the specs if you want to stop and look at those. Whoops, camera's slipping. So that's another alternative if you make a smoothie. Okay, I put some water in, and then I had gotten this at the store last week, and I thought, oh, you know what, maybe I'll try this. I'm kind of trying to stay a little bit free of dairy just to see, you know, if I notice any differences. I'm not a huge dairy eater, drinker anyway. I used to love yogurt, and I still probably do love it, but when I tried the Whole30, that was a no, so I just kind of got out of the habit of eating it, and I don't miss it, so I didn't add it back in. The only dairy that I absolutely love and will probably always eat, two things, cheese and sour cream, the basis of all good Mexican food. So I prefer, I can't talk today. I prefer to save myself for those dairy moments. Anyway, this cashew milk, or whatever they're calling it, sounded kind of good. I love cashews, so I'm going to try a splash in my smoothie. Kind of the mind that if it fits into the blender and it will in fact blend, give it a shot. Why not? Okay, I'm ready to blend, and the first time I did this on a video, I realized that I blended, which was fine, but I had pushed the extract and nothing happened. Well, I just wasn't pushing it in the right spot. So this time, since I have all the leafy greens, I'm gonna extract. Ooh, pretty. And it goes on like this for another minute. So I'll show you when it's done. Okay, it finished up, but I forgot that I wanted to add some blueberries. So, you know what? I wonder if I can just pour them through this top part. Probably could. Not that many. I just rinsed them off, and let's see if it works one-handed. This could be bad. Oh, it's sort of working. Oops. Haha. Okay, now let's add those guys in. I'm just gonna do the extract one more time. Okay, it is done. I'm gonna attempt, oh gosh, yeah, I can't pour that one-handed. I'll be right back. There it is. It's a lovely kind of pea green color today. I don't know, looks kind of yummy. Anyway, I'm gonna pour the rest of it in a container to leave in the fridge rather than leave it in the blender. I did that yesterday, but then I had to use the clean feature to clean it thoroughly, and I just would rather rinse it out and let it dry. So I'm gonna pour that into a container and add it to the fridge. Okay, so I think this is what I'm going to do for lunch this year at school. Because our year is so unknown right now, I guess I would use those words. I figure at least if I'm watching over kids and don't get much of a lunch, I am going to at least have this, and I'm just going to keep this in my fridge at school, and I can walk around and drink that as a lunch, easier than, you know, trying to eat a salad, for example. So I think I will take probably one in the morning, and then this will be lunch, and I'll just grab a couple Larabars. And then I just stick the base back in the corner. I'm, let's see, covering up some mail there on the counter. But on my kitchen counter also, I have this little stand. And right now I'm featuring just some fun little love and be kind mugs. But soon it's going to be fall, and I put out some fall mugs. I can't wait. So here I am looking super spiffy on a Saturday. I finished my blending, which you saw earlier. It's not too bad. The turmeric made it taste a little funky, but the mint helped a lot. So I'm down to almost half, which, I mean, whenever you're counting down to disappearing your food, that's not good food. But no, it's fine. And then, of course, coffee always saves the day. But I am working on my to-do list is stupid. It's 2 pages. It's on the second page, and that does not make me happy. I'll show you what I'm working on. Okay, so yeah, here's my to-do list. I mean, really? Come on. Anyway, it's gonna be fine. I'm working on a foundations planning page. I've been teaching it every day in a pre-recorded lesson. I record it and then I just post it on our Teams page for my kiddos. But I thought for going back in person, maybe this would help. I don't know. I tend to get all kinds of extra when left to my own devices, so I'm not really sure. But at least for the first, because we are doing, oh, I can't, yep, I do that with the kids all the time. I highlight when I'm reading, and I might have screwed something up. Because we're starting level 3 when we go back, my partner and I decided that we wanted to start fresh with 3rd grade work. Last year we taught the 3rd graders the 2nd grade foundations because they hadn't previously had any foundations, which means that the 3rd graders last year will never get more foundations, which I'm not really sure why we did that, but we did what we were told. Anyway, this year the 3rd graders that we have had 2nd grade foundations. So I am just kind of making some templates that I can use and scribble some notes in. And by scribble, I mean write in my nicest writing with my Flair pens, but you know. So anyway, I don't think I'll be this detailed always, but just in the beginning, I like to have all my little ducks lined right up. This is on my to-do list, which makes me very happy because with school and being just super duper busy lately, I haven't gotten past, I think I was on like the 14th chapter or something of this. Is it 14? No, it's 6, which is kind of like 14. Anyway, wow. So I'm going to work on this weekend, and that is going to be good. I think I'll make it a goal to get to at least chapter 20. And that will take me a couple hours. While I am working, I am listening to Calypso by David Sedaris. Sedaris. He is hilarious if you have not read or listened to any of his books. So funny. Also, he is not one that shies away from a naughty thought or word, so if that bothers you, do not listen to David Sedaris. But I'm finding him very hilarious right now, and I kind of need a laugh, so that's a good diversion for me today. I am in the passenger seat today, so I can film while we're moving. We just finished up out on a couple of errands. We went to Home Depot, and my husband got a shelf for work, and then we went to Target and we got some yummy steaks to grill for tonight. I'm super excited. And I got a mirror for my classroom, I've been wanting one for a while, and it's one of those big ones that you can just stick on the back of a door or something. It's really lightweight, really inexpensive. And I bought some little affirmation cards to put around it. And I'm excited. I don't know where I'm going to put it exactly, but it won't take up any floor space, so I should be allowed to have it. Anyway, that is what we did today. And I'll film more later if I do any school exciting things tonight. Good morning. This is the day. The day that we go back to the classroom. I don't have students until next Monday, but we're there to help with any of our teachers who do, because our K2 are back today, as well as our kids in specialized programs. They've been back for a while now. I'm a little worried. Okay, I'm a lot worried. It's weird because I have worked at home literally for the last 7 months, and part of that was summer. So, I mean, I was still working, but it doesn't count as teaching. I wasn't teaching. But anyway, it's just kind of crazy. So wish me luck. I will, I want to get to my room kind of early today. It's not going to be that early. It's already 6:45, so won't get there till about 7, which is what time I start working here in the morning. So I'll film later. Okay, I am at school. Not sure why I'm whispering. I just have a story. Okay, so I brought my own coffee because, you know, and it tastes super weird. I don't know what's wrong. So I'm thinking, like, did it not get rinsed out with soap good enough? Anyway, so I went to Dunkin' because it was on the correct side of the road, and which was also the right side of the road. And I got a coffee. I want to call her a girl because she's little. She's not little. She was my 3rd grader that helped me. She's now graduated high school and is studying nursing in college. Good morning. It is Tuesday at about 6:20. I'm leaving really early, and I don't know why. There's always things to do though, and it rained here. I'm super excited, only not really, because when it rains, our classroom HVAC or whatever cools our rooms stays like super humid, so not really excited for that, but that's okay. I am on my way to school. I woke up this morning with that punching bag, the uvula thing, all swollen up again, and I hate when that happens, but got ice cold coffee, and that always helps. So I am on my way. It takes me like twice as long to swallow because it hurts. I'm on my way to the classroom. I feel like I don't say anything really all that exciting lately because I'm just always on my way to do something. I have some plans of some things to take care of today, so maybe I'll film a little bit when I'm not teaching. Okay, sitting at a stoplight. That view does not stink. Good morning. I just got to school. It's about 6:30, and today is our early release day, so that means extra work time. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get that glare out of my glasses. Anyway, it is good to have a couple hours of work time this afternoon. I've got lots to do, so I will try to show you some things that I'm working on a little bit later. Here is my board finished. This is my window. This shuts, and so like that, and so I have all my kiddos' names on there. I'll have to try to figure out a way to blur out the names, but that's that. And then I changed this out. I made a new one, but this is my student mailboxes, and these all have names, so I won't show those, but here are the extra ones. I just made a couple extra in case I get new students. Right now I have either 19 or 20, who knows, haven't gotten our list yet. So we really don't know who's coming, but those that I think I know, I've labeled here. So right next to this is going to go another crate, and it's going to be called the Sanitation Station, and I already have a sign for that. I'll show you the signs that I made in a little bit. Here is some cute stuff that I ordered. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but this has the cutest stuff in it. I ordered it from Carson DeLosa, but it's the schoolgirl style, which I love all her stuff. And this border, because it's like Starbucks green, and I'm gonna put that, I think, around my bulletin board over there, possibly, we'll see. And then these are some more of my cups that I have up in my window with kids' names on them. Okay, one more really quick thing to show. I have tables, I have kids' names on my crate, so I can't show those, but I have little sit spots that my coworker bought, and she's sharing them because they came 81 to a bag. So we're sharing them, and oops, I think I got names in there. I'll just have to try to figure out a way to blur them out. Anyway, I will show more of the room later. I just wanted to share the sit spots. Here they are, and she ordered them, I think, off Amazon, and that is the tag if you are interested. I am just checking in, and I am checking out. I'm leaving school. It's about 3:45, and I'm leaving, and I'm going home, and the mask hanging off my face looks especially nice. I'm just gonna put that here. Anyway, this is what 108 looks like, and I had this all day to put my hair up in a ponytail, but just didn't stop working to do it, so shame on me. Anyway, I am headed home, and I'm going to do some more school stuff, but I really need to get a video up, so I might just do that also. I'm out back with Franklin, and he is such a good eater. We think it's Franklin the boy. We don't know. But anyway, he's a good guy. And see if he wants some more lettuce. I love to watch him eat because his little tongue is so cute and pink. I got it. He adorbs. Love this guy. How is that, yummy, huh? Is it good? You're such a good tortoise. Yes, you are. There you go, buddy. So I'm gonna lay it back down, and you keep eating, okay? All right, big guy.